Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will make yakisoba pan, which means yakisoba bread. In Japan, it is a popular food. It's if you go to bakery or even go to just grocery store and a big manufacturer making this bread, and it's kind of funny to me because bread and yakisoba both are carbohydrate, and instead of the sausage in here, hot dog, they have usually sausage in the bun, but in Japan, yakisoba noodles in the bread. So it is very easy making, and it sounds strange and looking kind of strange, but Japanese people like this food, and actually I like it too. So I'll show you how to make it. Cabbage julienne because it's easy to put in the bun and also easy to eat it. Heat the oil first. If you want to put meat, put it here and cook it before you put the cabbage. I put water here and put lid on because it is easy to loosen up. Japanese hot dog bread is not usually pre-cut. American hot dog bread is side open, so I will use this way, but later I'll cut it on top. Lastly, you can put this red ginger pickles, and you don't need to, but I think this is important to put it because with or without the taste different, and I prefer having this, so try to find this ingredients. This is how it's look like. I'm sorry I cut it out, but you get the idea. So this is how to make yakisoba pan bread. And if you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that I can make more. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I'm Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.